After staging an ambush-like attack on the Indian Army on June 15, the Chinese government and military leadership were quick to issue statements asserting Chinese claims on the entire Galwan River Valley. Separate statements issued by China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Western Command of the People's Liberation Army (PLA) suggested a Chinese attempt to include the entire area where Galwan and Shyok rivers meet near the Line of Actual Control (LAC). The Galwan Valley is located on the Chinese side of the Line of Actual Control in the west section of the China-India boundary. For many years, the Chinese border troops have been patrolling and on duty in this region, Li Jiazhao, the spokesperson of China's foreign ministry, wrote on Twitter. But experts have suggested that some of the older Chinese maps actually acknowledge that the southwestern part of the valley falls within Indian territory, close to the LAC. Well-known US-based China expert, M. Taylor Fravel, who is the director of the MIT Security Studies program, cited old Chinese maps to show that the Chinese claim of the valley ended before the meeting point of Galwan and Shyok. This map of Chinese history of the 1962 war also shows China's claim to the Galwan Valley ending shortly before the Galwan meets the Shyok, Fravel wrote on Twitter. India Today's open-source intelligence team superimposed the boundaries of some of the Chinese maps over the present-day base maps on Google Earth and found that the Chinese historical claims stopped before the meeting point of the rivers. The area near the LAC, where crucial patrol point is now located, has been historically recognized as Indian territory in these maps. Earlier, India's Ministry of External Affairs also referred to China's own historical position to refute the Chinese claims over the valley. The position with regard to the Galwan Valley area has been historically clear. Attempts by the Chinese side to now advance exaggerated and untenable claims with regard to LAC there are not acceptable. They are not in accordance with China's own position in the past, the mayor's spokesperson said in a statement last week. Indian and Chinese military representatives held talks on Monday. Both sides reached a mutual consensus to disengage, pending the modalities.